57 Victor, you can turn on course for Opelika at your discretion. Contact the tower on 134.67. Have a good night.
Okay, thanks for the help. Over the tower.
He's going left.
895 Victor. Opelika Tower, November 8957 Victor, along the shoreline with Echo inbound full stop landing.
57 Victor, make right traffic, runway 9 right.
Right traffic for 9er right, 8957 Victor.
128.6.
Turn left northwest, contact Miami 128.6. 6 and Mike Sierra.
November 57 Victor, traffic no factor.
No factor, 8957 Victor.
November 57 Victor, change to runway 9 left, runway 9 left, clear line.
Okay, 9 on left, clear land, 8957 Victor, thank you.
Runway 9 right, report midfield downwind, runway 12 Tango 2, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on runway 12, heading to runway 9 right, reporting midfield for 7623 Golf.
Doral.
¿Cómo?
El Doral, ¿dónde está? Bonita, ¿no? Mira qué montón de casas con piscina.
Qué bonitos son Miami Lakes.
Mike Sierra.
November 57 Victor, turn right at hotel, contact ground and off the runway.
Okay, right hotel, contact ground, 895 Victor.
Annie, when are we going to touch the floor?